Hello, friends. Welcome to BISPsolutions.com. My name is Uncle Chandel, and today I'm going to show you how to load data on Essbase application through load rule. Let's get started. So this is my console. I will go to the application where I've already loaded the metadata. So this is my application by financial planning. Database, DB new, outlines, unlock the outlines first, double click on it. Yeah. So these are the accounts. So these are the dimensions. So I'm going to load data in account dimension. Yeah. So this is where I want my data to be loaded. So for that, I will open my data file. This is my data file. It has the same dimension what is over there. Yeah. So account, entity, scenario, version, years. This is the amount which I want to load and the period. So we are going to do this in two steps. First, we are going to make a load rule for it. And with the help of the load rule, we are going to load the data. So let's get started by creating a load rule. New script, rule files. Okay. Now I'm going to open my data file. It's in my local drive. Yeah, that one. What delimiter I have used? I have used space. Okay, perfect. Now I have to tell the system what is what. For that, I'm going to click on field properties, data load properties. So first one is account. Next, entity. Next, scenario. Next, version, year, data field, and at the end, put periods over there. Okay, oh good. I'm going to save this rule now. Data load. Okay. Now, right click on the database, select load data, load only. Data file is it by local drive, data load. My rule file is data load. Okay. Success. So my data has been loaded into Essbase administration services successfully. Now we are going to validate it, and we are going to validate it by a smart view. Let me connect the smart view first. So this is my application. I'm going to run an ad hoc analysis on that. Scenario, actual. Version, working, period, January, year, 22, entity, I think entity was East. Oh, good. Yeah. So this is what I've loaded, guys, right? I will check on my text file once again to validate it. So this was a file which we loaded. Yep. Yes. So all values are over there: 1,000, 1,200, 1,300, 1,500, 5,000, 5,000, 4,000. Yeah, all good. So this is how we load data on Essbase Administration Services through load file. Thank you.